Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 13th of January 2021 and currently time is 9:42 am. So traders, here you can see that I have taken a trade in IndusInd Bank and this is our target and here is our stop loss. Okay traders, so today also we are trying to get a good risk reward ratio of 1:6, but let's see what happens. So we have taken our trade traders and it is near our cost price and we are waiting for some good momentum towards our target, so we will wait. Okay traders, so this is our trade and you can see the setup is same. We are trading for breakout, but let the trade gets completed. I will explain you in detail. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video. So traders, here you can see that we have booked our profit because our trade stop loss was got hit. So let me explain to traders what happened. First here I entered, then price gave a good momentum toward the target and it was going good. Then what happened, again it came tried to come downside, or we can say it was a retracement. Okay trader, so first I trailed my stop loss over this swing low. Okay traders, then by this swing low it took a good momentum towards the target and again it tried to go upside. Then while going here, there it also made a swing low. You can see traders here. So what I did, that I trailed my stop loss to this swing low, and after you can see again it came downside, or it was a retracement or anything. So our trailed stop loss was got triggered and we booked a profit of 1:2 risk reward. You can see traders, our risk reward ratio which we got is 1:2. Now coming on to the setup, coming on to the 15-minute time frame traders, here you can see this was our triangle pattern which was forming. Okay, now coming on to again 1 minute time frame. In the morning, here it gave a breakout over here, you can see. So traders, I entered here at market price when it was trying to break and I got this price. Okay, so my stop loss was at day's low. Okay traders, so I placed my stop loss over day's low and I was trying to capture 1:6 risk reward, which was the next big resistance, but price didn't went there. Before it hit our trailed stop loss, so then also no problem. Now me show you my position. So traders, you can see our today's total profit is 66 rupees because my risk in today's trade was of 32 rupees somewhere. Okay traders, and now quantities are 0 and you can see I have traded only in IndusInd Bank, which I showed you. Okay traders, so this is our today's profit and this was our today's trading video. So I hope you learned something from it and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.